If your trash looks like compost, you're a green warrior, but did you know it could also be your next soap? Let's break it down. Organic waste like veggie peels and coffee grounds are full of carbon. When this waste decomposes, it releases polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons or PAHs. Sounds fancy, right? These PAHs are key players in making cleaning agents. They combine with other elements to form surfactants, the magic behind soap and detergents. Surfactants help water mix with oils and dirt, lifting grime off your dishes, clothes, and even your hair. So next time you toss those banana peels, remember, they're not just trash, they're the future of clean. Pretty cool, huh? Stay eco-friendly and keep the cycle going, because every bit of waste can help make the world a cleaner place. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips.